Next up in this haul is a winter wear for not so cool winters in Mumbai. So anyway, I saw this sweater on one of the YouTube. Hi guys, this is Nehal and you're watching Sugar Crayon. If you're new to my channel, hi, I make DIY fashion hauls and such kind of videos. If you love watching such videos, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the bell icon besides it so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Coming back to today's video, as you can read from the title, it's a Shein and Romwe haul. So I have got few items over the few months and also recently from Shein and Romwe. So I'll be sharing all the things that I have got in this video. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started and get into the video. First up is an accessory. So it's an anklet which has a white thread and a silver chain, which again has a sun and elephant charm attached to it. It looks super cute and gives quite a vintage feel. Next up are a bunch of neck pieces. So the first one is this gold coin statement necklace. It looks super classy and I love it. Next up is a really cool layered neck piece. So it has few coins in the first layer and it has a globe or a world map on the second layer. Looks really cool. This is another cool neck piece. It has a navigational compass onto it. I really like such kind of quirky neck pieces, so I got this one. This another is a layered necklace which has a heart detail. The heart is inverted here. I am so stupid. I didn't care about making it upright while shooting this, but it looks really cute especially with these wide necked dresses, tops, etc. Next is a wing shaped rhinestone earring. So it has this angel wings and it can act as a really good statement piece with a nice basic black dress. So next up is my most favorite neck piece from this haul. So it's a deer's horns or antlers and it's in rose gold shade and it looks so cute. It just screams Christmas and I can see myself wearing this all through the Christmas season. Next up are these phone cases. So I've got two phone cases. This one says stay weird and this one is a really nice pink ombre kind of a watercolor splash kind of a phone cover, and also I got a pop socket along with it and I have attached it to the phone already. Now this one's a hard case phone case and has a beautiful tropical print all over it. Looks really cool. And this one is a soft material phone case and the pop socket which has a cactus print is my favorite. I don't find these kind of cute print pop sockets locally and so I thought of getting it from Shein. Next one is this really nice basic black colored belt. It comes with this really nice polygon shaped buckle, if you can see, and the quality is really nice for the price that it comes for, and I really like how basic it is and it can make any outfit look really nice just because it's basic and the design is quite chic, so I like it. Next up is a crisscross patterned crop cami top in a black color and it's pretty basic, but at the same time you can dress it up, dress it down, and basically you can make a lot of use out of it. Next up is this really pretty flower. So I thought of giving the home decor section of Shein a try. So I got these really pretty white colored flowers. I thought I can use this for my Instagram pictures of flat lace. So they are really nice, but I think we can get these kind of flowers from our local markets like in Crawford Market for even cheaper rates. So nevertheless, I thought I should give a try to this section as well. I should see how the quality of the products are before I order something really huge from that section. So this is quite cheap, and I think it's really similar to the weight shown on the side. Next up, I've got these really pretty marble print makeup brushes from this side, and I feel they are really gorgeous. Just look at them, they are really gorgeous, and you can make a lot of use out of it, not just for pictures because they look cute, but also I have used it today. You can see it's a little bit dirty, it has foundation all over it, so it blends really nicely. It's really soft, and I like the quality of all the brushes. I think this is a 10-piece set of brushes, and they are quite cheap. Brushes are really expensive, but for the price that they come from, they work very well, and they are quite soft, and they are Instagram worthy as well. So if you are into makeup brushes, that too cute makeup brushes, you can give this one a try. Next item in this haul is this set of earrings. So it comes like there are 9 set of earrings, and there are 6 studs and 3 pair of hoop earrings. So I'm wearing 3 pair of them already on my ears, and they look really cute and nice. I am loving them, and this one's my favorite though. So I love these, and they are really nice for the price that they come for, and I am loving them already. I'm going to wear a lot of it. I can see wearing this all the time. So yeah, if you are into hoop earrings and stud earrings, and if you love stacking earrings, you can buy this. Next up in this haul is this really cute travel bottle. So actually I saw 4 cute bottles in the picture, and I thought कि 74 rupees जो भी है इसका price, उसमें I'm going to get 4 bottles. So I was really happy, but when the mail came and I saw there's just 1 bottle, and I checked the side and I saw 1 piece, and I was like, okay, they didn't fool me, but it was my mistake that I didn't see. It's just 1 piece. So yeah, if it's for 74 rupees, I think we can get such bottles, such travel bottles from Crawford Market or any such local markets for cheaper prices. So I won't recommend this bottle to you guys, but since I got it, it's fine. I like the cute design on it. It has a flamingo on it, and I can make use of this, but I think it is not worth the price. But it's really nice quality, and if you want to give it a try, you can, but you can always find cheaper things in our local markets. Next up in this haul is this really cool sweater that I saw on one of the YouTubers that I follow, and I loved it on her. So this is a teal colored sweater, and it has this cold shoulder kind of a detailing. I loved it. It's really nice and soft. I love the color especially, and I thought I should give this one a try. So yeah, it's really cool. And you know, the winters in Mumbai, they are so cold, right? And we all need sweaters for Mumbai winters. Okay, everybody needs sweater. So if you are into sweaters, especially these quirky sweaters, I think you should get one. So yeah, get this one if you love. Yeah, and there are a lot of colors in this as well, so you can check out the site for more colors. There are so many colors, but I got this one. So yeah, if you love sweaters, if you love sweaters, and especially these cool detailing ones, you can get this one. Next up in this haul is this really cute bum bag. It's this black color quilted detail bum bag. It comes with a golden colored zipper, and obviously it goes around your waist like a belt, so it has this belt going on, and I love this. It's really cute and adorable. So there's a story behind it. I always used to see my dad wearing a bum bag whenever we used to travel somewhere during all the time during my childhood, and I thought, is this bum bag a guy thing? Because I have never seen a woman wearing bum bag back then. So since bum bags are back in fashion, they were never out of fashion though, but yeah, they are like much more into fashion now, and we can see everyone wearing one. I thought I should get one for myself. So finally my childhood dream, my childhood obsession is back to me, and I have my hands on it. And yeah, it's really cool and cute, and if you are looking for one, you can go for this one. It's really nice. I can fit my phone, few important things like cash, or maybe a pair of lipsticks and something. Like, it's
pretty nice. So it's of a good, really nice, decent size, so you can go for this one if you are looking for a nice bum bag. Also, there are a lot of variety, designs, colors in this one, so you can see what suits you and choose the one that you like.
So that was all about today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. You have to hit that like button, right? And also share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you are notified the next time I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.